Today I'm going to talk about the equipment I use when I'm producing these incredible YouTube videos. Lots of my videos are recorded with an iPhone. Love this little case. Also use one of these joysticks to help me control this little case when I'm using this on this slider that I'm going to talk about in a few minutes. What makes this slider unique is this counterweight for some smooth slides. Now this case you can buy on Amazon, and I'll put the links down in the description. That way you can order one then and start making some good videos. What I like about this case, you can be out in the field, you don't have a tripod, and it makes it real nice that you can use your both hands to have this camera real steady for some real steady shots. Now you're also going to need good audio. This is why I recommend to get this microphone for your iPhone. You can find this on Amazon. I'll have the links down below. I like this slider because it's fiberglass. I like these little belts. Very quiet. Now let me show you this slider in action. Oh yes, smooth like butter. You gotta get you one of these sliders. It will take your videos to the next level. Does this look familiar? You got some of these in your closet or attic? Well, on the next video, at the end of this video, I'm gonna have a link. I'm gonna talk about this little recorder right here. Guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Just want to let you know that all these items that I use, you can actually find them on Amazon. So I'm going to have the links down below. And thanks again for tuning in.